Hello, the chef George, owner of the company Evans by George Catering. Today let's cook fried chickpeas. It's the beautiful recipe and have a wonderful flavor. Ingredient for the preparation today: fried chickpeas. We have bacon, chickpeas, sofrito, chorizo, onion in jardiniere, garlic 3 spoons, peppers, green and red, and ham. We have black peppers and a smoked paprika. We don't use salt in this preparation because the bacon, chorizo, and the ham have already salt. If we need at the end, we put a little salt. We start with 1 spoon with olive oil for frying the bacon. We start with the bacon first. When the bacon is a little browny, just add the ham. We add the chorizo. Mix again. We cook all meat, ham, chorizo, and bacon for 5 minutes until are brown together and the flavor is mix the flavors. After 5 minutes, we add the peppers. And mix again. We add the onions. We add the minced garlic. Mix again. We add smoked paprika and a little pepper to take the flavor. And mix. Look how beautiful color have already the preparation. The fried chickpeas. We add the chickpeas and mix. Finally, the sofrito. And mix again. You can sprinkle with or parsley or cilantro or any fresh herbs. I didn't make because the client don't like. For this reason, but if you put a little the parsley or rosemary, any kind of fresh herbs is perfect for the garbanzos too, chickpeas. This is the final result for this fried chickpeas. Look how beautiful are these chickpeas. Look at this. It's one of the most incredible recipes and have the beautiful, incredible flavor. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. Like, share. Your comments always are very important for us. Remember that every day we put a new recipe in our YouTube channel and we make any kind of events, weddings, bridal parties, any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.